Let a, b, c be positive integers such that a plus b plus c equal to a+b+c. What is the minimum possible value of a plus b plus c? Solution. The given equation is a plus b plus c equal to a+b+c. This equation looks symmetric in a, b, c. That means if we swap their positions, the equation remains the same. So, to make our work easier, we can assume without loss of generality that a is less than or equal to b, b is less than or equal to c. Let's start from the smallest possible value of a equal to 1 and try to find the values for b and c that satisfy the equation. If a equal to 1, let us substitute a into this equation. We are going to have 1 plus b plus c equal to 1 multiplied by bc. So our equation will be 1 plus b plus c equal to bc. Let us move all terms to one side. bc, if we move b and c to the right hand side, this positive sign will turn to negative sign. So we have minus b minus c equal to 1. Let us try to factor this cleverly. Add 1 to both sides. The equation will become bc minus b minus c plus 1 equal to 1 plus 1. So bc minus b minus c plus 1 equal to 2. Now factor the left side. Let us factor b from this and factor minus 1 from this. b c minus 1. If we factor minus 1 from this, minus 1 bracket c minus 1 equal to 2. Because if you use minus 1 to multiply c, we have minus c, and minus 1 multiplied by minus 1, we have plus 1. Now let us factor c minus 1 from this expression. So when we factor c minus 1, we have c minus 1 bracket b minus 1 equal to 2. Let us solve this equation. Now, since we are looking for positive integers, let's find all factor pair of 2. The positive factor pairs of 2 are 1 multiplied by 2 or 2 multiplied by 1. Now let us say that c minus 1 equal to 1 and b minus 1 equal to 2, and solve for c and b. C minus 1 equal to 1 and b minus 1 equal to 2. Now if we add 1 to both sides, c equal to 1 plus 1, which equal to 2. If we add 1 to both sides, b equal to 2 plus 1, which equal to 3. Another form that we can use is 2 multiplied by 1. That means let us say our c minus 1 equal to 2, and if we add 1 to both sides, c equal to 2 plus 1, which is equal to 3. And let us say our b minus 1 equal to 1. b minus 1 equal to 1. If you add 1 to both sides, b equal to 1 plus 1, which is equal to 2. That give us two valid sets. The first set is a equal to 1, b equal to 2, c equal to 3. The second one is a equal to 1, b equal to 3, and c equal to 2. Both are the same combination in different order. Let us compute a plus b plus c. Our a is 1 plus 2 plus 3, which equal to 6. Let us verify this works in the original equation. The equation given to us is a plus b plus c equal to a, b, c. 1 plus 2 plus 3 equal to 1 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. This one will give us 6 equal to 6. 6 equal to 6. This is true. So our minimum possible value of a plus b plus c is 6.